Hi, I am coming with another video. In this video, we will create a simple form for company profile, and it is very simple form. And you can create this by typing and by giving a simple text. First, we have to add a text and company profile, and then we have to go to their its property palette. You can do it by shortcut of F4 in your keyboard, and here it is. We have to change bounding box scalable, yeah, to yes, and font scalable to yes, and fixed bonding box to yes. It will adjust the text, and we will find it in our and go to the layout, and you can change by here. Simply select the text and change its size. Go to layouts, justify to center, and color to white and border color to black. Here it is. And then we have to create these text file, this these text box id, short name, etc, and it's very simple. So go to and select text box. This is text box. Click and set its size to 9 or 10, whatever you want to do, and go to layout and set bevel to raise, and also you can select the frame and drag it, press the send to back, and here it is, and change its background color to something like this. And now we have this, and here is text, and we set id, and we can press Ctrl plus D to duplicate this one and create another copy of this. Control D, it's for company name, and this, go to layout, justify to left. Okay, now Control D to duplicate, Control duplicate, and we will create these 3 to 4 for your information and for your learning, and you can do whatever you want to. Just we will use these 5. It We will change its name to id, and change its data type. In our database we is set to integer, and there it integer, and this is short name, short name. This is c name, c name, it is full name, and there is address, and first we will only is active and address. Next one is address, and a data type should data length should be 30, and it should be multi-line, set to yes. And we can now change the height of this text box. Also, we have to add another checkbox for is active. We can change its name to is active, and by pressing F4 we go to its property palette and set its label to is active, and for value when checked to V1 and value when unchecked to 0. By default it should be checked, and initial value we have to set initial value of this, and we can say is yes, and we can change it to number. That's it. And we also have to duplicate these one, so here it is. We can change its name to short name. It is company name. Here is full name. You can use full name, and it is the address. Now we have to select these and right align and give them a proper space, and that's it. ID should be integer, and short name char, and other things should be these one. And we can change the name of active status. Okay, now we have all done for now, and then we can also change the label of this by typing by select this one and go to the bottom of the property palette and set frame title to company info. Here it is, and we can also change the font and other things. I think we have to change font size to 16. Let's say 16. Yes, it works. And now we can change the color of this company info, and for now for go to the this form level trigger and open it, set its value, set ID value to 1, and create a code block. Begin, select short name, C name, full name, address, and is active into, then copy all these two and paste and say like these are the farm level items, and from company profile where id is equal to id. Okay, let's say add an exception when no data found, then it should raise the form trigger failure and compile it. Check is there any issue? No, there is no issue. Then we can say like our form is working fine, and we can also add buttons for save, update, delete. Like say select a button and create this one, and control D duplicate it, then control D. This is for save, this is for update. We can also use a save button as also for insert and update, and we cannot delete this, so this is for clear, no need for clear also, and this is for exit. So we need only two buttons, not three buttons. So let's say let's change the property of these buttons and give them a meaningful name. So select first one and change its name to save. You can change whatever you want to change of its name, and then we can change its name, save. Now the S is the shortcut of this button, and also we can say exit, and exit should be E should be the shortcut of this. And now select these two buttons and as its size should be most bold, and now it's all done. Let's code behind these. Right click on this and button and go to when button, press trigger, and now write exit underscore form. That's it for this, and let's change its name also. Exit. Now right click on save, go to smart trigger, when button pressed. Then we can change, uh, first we have to declare SR and set its value to integer. Now start the block. First we have to check is there any data in the and short company name, full name, is there any data? If not, then we have to show a message to fill the data. If short trim short name is null, then message company short name must be enter. Let's copy and paste. Go item short name, then raise form trigger failure, and if, and now also end this and compile it to check is there an issue. It's a form trigger failure, sorry, this one. Now it's fine. let's say copy this one, and also we can check is there any company name. Company name, and also for full name. Full name, we can also set its value. Now let's check it why this is happening. Let's change the name of this dashboard to demo. Go to this because I already created dash, so let's change to demo. Also change the name in the this one to demo. Now let's again go to this URL and download a let's say YouTube demo 25. Let's create keep, go to this location, copy the URL and delete this one, also rename it, copy it and paste it in our project. Now open it, let's see what will happen, and I run it. Yes, why it's still running, still opening the let's say let's change the location to verify it. It's working fine, but why this is calling? Let's change the code of this company profile to demo. Also change the name of this form to demo, and close this one, and also change the name of this to demo. Okay, let's again open. Why this is acting like weird? Let's run it. It's working for yes, it is now working. uh, this is now, if I remove this and this and this, let's print it, say company short name must be enter, so I can say city, and its company name must be enter, so I can write this one, say company name must be enter, so full name should be a. Now no validation required, so let's close it and again open the form, and first we have to open the property of this form and remove this code menu toolbar, because we are creating the form dynamically. There is no form and it's very fast now. So let's work on next uh, go to its canvas, press go to press on save button and press your F11 button in your keyboard. Now let's say first we have to check, is there any company available against this serial number. If available, then we have to update the data. Otherwise, we can insert the fresh new record. So for the check, is there any company available? Select ID into SR from company profile, where ID is equal to farm ID. Is there any data available? Then it will say that we have to update company profile, set short name to trim, short name, then CNAME to trim CNAME, then full name to full name, and in the last is active to is active. Sorry, I forget the where clause, where ID is equal to ID. And if there is no company available against this profile, so we can it will raise a exception. So we have to handle exception when no data found. Then insert like this, insert insert into company, and we can say ID and short name, CNAME, full name is active. Then values, we can copy this line and paste this and give as a parameter, farm parameter in the end this, and we can compile this one and it says not any file. So let's say after update it should be standard commit, and it can say message updated. Then also we can save after this and saved. Let's compile it. Now open again company profile, it will give. Now I can say updated to, oh sorry, we forget the address. Let's say updated. Now we can check is it working. Now it say updated to, so we skip the address. So let's add the address to farm address, trim address, and it's after the update, and we say address, and we can copy it and save form. Let's check it. Let's change is test address for YouTube channel, and it's active, and we can save updates updated. Okay, now again open this, and okay, it's working fine, absolutely fine. Let's see in the next video what will happen. For now, Allah Hafiz.